things are getting wrapped up here. And although I have been shooting these videos and editing these videos by myself, this Computex 2024 journey has not been something I've done alone. Really need to thank my wife for holding the fort at home, and big thanks to her. I couldn't have done any of this without her support and her help. Also need to thank my mom. I have been staying with her while I've been in Taipei. She's been feeding me. It's great to feel like a kid again, but a little bit different because I've been so immersed, so engaged in getting the content out, and she's been making sure that I've been able to stay alive and taking care of myself. So thanks, Mom. And I also need to thank the friends of the channel, the good friends that we've talked to that have been offering input, showing us the new products. None of this could have been interesting without your input. And last but not least, you. Thanks for joining me here. Thanks for checking out the videos. Thanks for being loyal subscribers. And I really wanted to, again, thank you for your support. Every year, Computex, it's going to be something new. But the one thing that's not going to change is my loyalty to the viewers. So appreciate your feedback. Appreciate your sounding off, always offering words of encouragement. Thanks for joining me here at Computex 2024.
This was the year of the AI craze, from the opening keynote, the countless products shown that have something to do with AI, to the mobs following Jensen around throughout the show floor. There was a decidedly different feel about the event this year. On the PC component side, the clear and obvious trend is BTF. And more cases are trending towards supporting back connect solutions, and even though there's nothing concrete yet on the ITX side, I'm very eager to see what the future brings. In SFF-related news, we got the somewhat nebulous SFF-ready GPU standards from NVIDIA. And I've looked into that in a dedicated video, and we'll continue to explore that theme throughout the year. Maybe do a build or two related to that. And I'm really looking forward to Ryzen 9000. It looks to be a very positive development on all fronts. I can't wait for the new Nocto D15 and A12 by 25 Gen 2 to come out. And finally, very stoked about some of the ITX cases that we will be checking out on the channel soon.
Although the show does end today, I actually still have a lot of content that's going to be rolling out over the next few days, so do look for that. We're not done yet compiling all that, so the journey, there's still a little bit left, so I hope you get to enjoy that content as well. But again, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I hope you enjoyed the coverage of Computex 2024 this year. I'm really looking forward to being back next year, so thank you again.